Jacob Price, you mentioned that qualifying on that theme. He's asking, do you think Wales are capable of qualifying for Euro 2016?
It's 3 teams qualify now. Yeah. I feel that's a very that's a big bonus for us. You know, we do need a little bit of a kind draw, but I don't know. With this group of players, I do feel your best 11 can go out and, you know, could go to anywhere and get a result, and certainly at home can certainly have enough players to impose their game on any opposition. So yeah, I do feel there is a very good chance. The group does need to be a little bit kind, of course. You don't want, you know, Germany, Italy, or or Holland, because they just seem to win groups and off they go. You know, we got to be careful. If we had Spain and France in the same group, then, you know, another tough third team. So yeah, we need a kind of group, but at the same time, I do feel, you know, there's definitely a good chance for us.
In terms of, hardly ever missed a Welsh game, Craig. Even if you're injured, you'd still turn up. I mean, would you be a
That's only because I liked home so much. Yeah. You know, it just give me an excuse to come back home.
A few days in Cardiff.
Exactly. That's why I'm here now. Yeah.
Will you be a supporter, an avid supporter in? I mean, you take massive interest in football all over the world. You'd be an avid supporter of the Welsh cause in the qualifying.
To be honest, any sport that Wales are involved in, or any athlete representing Wales, I always try and follow and always try and get behind them as much as I can. I adore the fact that I'm Welsh. So, you know, a lot of sports, and, you know, I was at the rugby a couple of weeks ago. I know it's, you know, cliche, but, you know, rugby isn't the most important factor in my life, nowhere near. Like, I'm sure a lot of Welsh people are the same as well. You know, we do it because it's part of our culture in some ways. But yeah, I don't feel you know, destined to one sport, and that's the way, you know, everyone who represents Wales, I try and make sure I'm fully aware of and support as much as I can. But yeah, you know, I'm a footballer. I've been involved in football, so that's always gonna, you know, sway me to watch as you know, and follow Wales as much as I can, definitely.
And just finally, from it's a question from David Trowen in terms of the future for you. Still a player, obviously, with Cardiff City. Is your future? I mean, you do a lot of work with your foundation outside of football. Is your future? Do you see a future, you know, a few years down the line outside of football, or do you still want to be involved in football in some capacity?
I don't know. It's difficult. I definitely like to still be involved in football, but, you know, I'm fully aware I'll need a period. I don't know how long that period will be, but I need a certain time out. You know, it could be a year, it could be 2 years ago, it could be, you know, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months. So you know, I will take a breather from it, but at the same time, you know, it's what I adore most. You know, my children I adore most in this world, but football is straight behind them. You know, it's a huge part of my life, and I enjoy doing it. So it wouldn't be a chore for me to, you know, to like get involved in coaching and being part, and because I feel I have a lot to offer on that side as well. It helped me so much as a person, and I have so much to give to young footballers as well. So yeah, that part of me is something that, you know, I'd really take seriously.
Okay, well, thanks a lot for your time,
No problem.
Craig, and thanks a lot for the memories playing for Wales. They're fantastic.
No, I enjoyed every second of it, honestly.
There's Bellamy in the middle. It's towards Craig Bellamy. Bellamy's header. Craig Bellamy has scored. Craig Bellamy could well have sealed a memorable victory here for Wales. There's such a delight behind that goal, I can tell you. And look at those Welsh players.